Buongiorno! Welcome to Swing Street. Little B.
Superman.
Practice class 3. We spoke about really philosophical stuff, moving between kick steps, groove walks, and dribble steps, and we started the Charleston recap. So
Charleston, basic 8 count Charleston, if you do level 8, goes like this. 1, 2, 6, 7, oh, stiff. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry.
we all remember that one. And what we pulled out of that was the kick steps. So we have these things that kind of like go like this. Kick step, kick step, kick step. And we groove walk them, so you can then bring them down. So we groove walk them and change the energy. And then we also, and just went back into them. And the main part here was just talking about like the upward energy of kick step compared to the downward relaxed energy of footwork.
Yep. We also later on, if you wanted to, you could mix it with a 6 count or like triple steps
as well.
in your group walks.
We then recapped all the 6 count moves with kick steps. So we had a basic. Remember the 8 count basic is always 8 count.
Step, kick, and kick.
Then we did the stand up.
2, step, kick, step, 1, 2.
Change places.
Step, kick, step.
More change places.
Step, kick,
Send
step.
in.
1, 2, kick, step.
And tuck turn. And then, to really mess with you, we did the butterfly, which had a few tricky kicking things in there.
Yeah, it started from a tuck turn.
Yes.
Go 1, 2, kick, step, drop, step.
Let's do one more time from this side.
Step, kick, step, step.
That was some dodgy footwork on my part, but get that in. Thank you.
Thank you.
Till next week.